All right, guys, this is Health Nibble number 41, and this is an extra special one. So this Health Nibble is about safe amalgam removal. So we've talked over the past 40 Health Nibbles about heavy metal toxicity and how it burdens the cells, and so it can screw up hormone problems or even trigger neurodegenerative problems. And one of our solutions for that is chelation. So we use our systems, our detoxification systems, to actually get those heavy metals out of the tissues so that the person can restore their health. So one of the rules is if they have amalgams, mercury amalgams, in their mouth, we will not take them on as a patient. So the problem is when we detoxify the body, after we detoxify the body, it'll start leaching mercury out of the fillings and cause more problems. And they cause problems on their own. So a lot of times this is the missing link when people can't get better. So, but to get those amalgams removed, it has to be removed safely. So the patient's sealed off and they don't get any of these vapors going straight to their brain, because if you just drill them out, it vaporizes to the brain, and there's lots of studies on that. So the one dentist in Fort Wayne that does safe amalgam removal is Dr. Heidi Krider. We've sent lots of patients to her. She's seen lots of our family members, and we do that to protect the patient. So maybe, Doc, if you could tell us, how'd you get into safe amalgam removal?
Yeah, so we've been doing safe amalgam removal for several years now, and it just started with just some research with Dr. Tom McGuire and a video that showed that mercury vapor was obviously coming off of the tooth. And when you see that and you know what mercury does to the body, you know you have to do something about it. So Dr. Trock and I made a change in the way that we remove amalgam. And so we try to do everything we can to protect our patients, both from the particulate matter that comes off when we're drilling them out and also from the vapor. So we have a particular protocol in place, and what we do is we use a rubber dam, high volume suction. We use specific burrs to remove those amalgams, and then we protect patients from the vapor by using what's called a dental air vac, which pulls that vapor away from the breathing areas. We also cover the nose with oxygen and just fully cover the body to protect the patients from anything that's coming off of that. So we know that's very important in removing them, and we're thankful for people like Dr. Nagel who are involved in the detox part of that, because we don't do any of that. So that's a totally different thing.
I appreciate that. And I want you to know how rare that is. So, I've talked about this group of functional medicine doctors that we train together to stay on the cutting edge of everything. And one of them, Dr. Mindy Peltz, she's in Silicon Valley, California. You'd think they would have everything, right? They don't even have a biological dentist or somebody that will remove amalgam safely. So, we're really blessed to have Heidi in the area. And I'll tell you, if you're a dentist and you're watching this, she's on the front end, just like we're on the front end. So it seems crazy. This is different than what we're used to. Mercury is the most potent neurotoxin on the planet, and when it's vaporized and inhaled, it's a nightmare. So we appreciate you, Mindy, for being in our area and taking care of our patients. And our Heidi, I'm sorry. Heidi. Heidi, I was thinking Mindy Peltz. So we appreciate you, Heidi, for taking care of our patients and our family. And that's our Health Nibble on safe amalgam removal.
Okay, and Heidi, can you tell us where you're located?
Yes, we are located on the southwest side of Fort Wayne in Chestnut Hills Office Park.
Okay, and she's wonderful. We've sent a lot of people down to her, and
rave reviews.
Yep. Okay, see you tomorrow for our next Health Nibble.